Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you what kind of surfaces you can use to create Collagraph plates. My name is Marta Nowicka. I am visual artist, Polish visual artist based in the US. I'm a painter, printmaker, digital artist. I am also going to show you some images of prints created with these plates. There are so many options for creating a Collagraph plate. This is such a versatile technique. You can use many surfaces, so I'm mainly using plastic or plexiglass, and I add different gel mediums and carborundum gel. I use cardboard, I use Matboard, I use Tetrapak containers from like juices. So you can use everything to which you can add glue, something to create texture. Very often also I use just Matboard and add self-adhesive tapes or wallpapers or anything I can attach to the Matboard. I work not only with the traditional square or rectangular plates, I also cut plates into more abstract shapes, and very often I also use dry point lines on my Collagraph plates. Here you can see the example of those smaller plates that I later use in a multi-plate print. Very often I also used old plates and I just cut them in different shapes. So you can use anything that has a texture to use as a Collagraph plate, basically. But it needs to be stiff enough to hold inks, and of course you need to know which surface will hold ink and which one will be easy to wipe. So enjoy watching and let me know in the comments what is your favorite surface when you create Collagraph plates. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and see you next time in my studio.